In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Preply as a tutor. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to preply.com. This is their official website. And then you don't want to click on Get Started or Log In. You want to click up here at the very top left where it says Become a Tutor. So just click on that. And over here, it says Make a Living by Teaching the Largest Community of Learners Worldwide. Now, here you will have to first sign up and create your profile. Then you will have to get approved, which takes about 5 business days. And then you'll be able to just start earning by teaching students all over the world. Now here you can of course read all about this, and then whenever you are ready, just click one of these buttons which say create a tutor profile now. So click on that. And then over here, you can either sign up with email and password, or you can use Facebook or Google. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and use Google right now. So I just show you how to actually do this. There we go. I'm going to press continue. I think it's the fastest way. You are free to use whatever method you want. And then here it is. Now, first, you'll have to, of course, make your about page as detailed as possible. So you'll have to first create the about page, click on save and continue. Then you will have to basically go through and add a photo, your certification, education, description, video, availability, and then the pricing at the very last. Now, after you've done this, you'll then go through the application process, and if they accept you within 5 business days, you'll be able to start using Preply as a tutor, and then you'll be able to start earning money and basically teaching different students different languages. So make sure you just fill this in, double check everything is correct, put in all your real information, and then you'll be good to go, and you'll be good to go through the application process. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.